Hello guys, today in this video I am going to demonstrate you how you can find the largest element from an array of integers. So as you can see, this is the array what is mentioned here. Okay, and here I am going to find the largest largest element from this array. So what I will do, there are multiple ways to do the same thing. So I am just going to show you the two way. The first one is going to be the inbuilt functionality which is given in the CSharp. So what I will do, I will just do the console.writeline, and here I will do array.max, and this max keyword will automatically find the largest element. So now I will run the application, and here you can see 9 is coming here as the maximum element. Okay, and here this is the simplest way by the inbuilt functionality, but you cannot tell this thing in the interviews. Okay, so what I will do to find that thing, so to find that thing, first let me run or write here the logic, and I will implement it by using the for loop, not for each. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just go ahead and I will assume that the largest element is going to be the first element of array. Okay, and I have assumed that the current first element is the largest element right now. Okay, and let me just remove here so that it can be clear that it is not the largest. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will write a loop, and the length, how can we calculate the length? By using array dot count. Okay, now it will count the available elements from the inside the array, and here I will do here I will run a condition here, and that condition is if array of element I is greater than the largest, only in that condition it will assign the value of current element inside the largest, and here I will print the largest element here. Okay, so now let me run this. And you can see here again I am getting 9 because 9 was available here. Okay, and let me again put here, actually 9 was available 2 times earlier. Okay, so now means I had removed first 9 to check. Okay, and now again you can see there are 2 9, and again let me run this application, and you will see that still the largest element is 9. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so now it is basically able to find the largest element at any position. You can see that I am putting here 10, then still it will find the 10 as the largest element. Okay, you can see. Okay, so now these are the ways to do that. Okay, and if you want to do the same thing by using the for each loop, okay, then again you can do that as well. So let me convert it as a for each. Okay, and here it will be where item in array. Okay, and here I can see that if item is greater than the largest, okay, then inside the largest item will be assigned. And now let me run this again. And you can see here we are getting the output as 10 in the similar fashion as we were getting earlier. So let me put here a new element like 11 in between, and let me run the same thing again. And you can see here we are getting the output as 11, and this is coming from the element available in the middle. And suppose I am putting it here as 12, okay, then the output should be 12 now. So you can see output is 12 now. So I hope you got the idea to find the largest element from the array of integers, and I hope it will help you to put some logic, okay, to calculate the things or similar kind of things. So that is all guys in this video right now, okay. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.